Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Edis and today I'll be talking about more metaverse and video game related stocks. If you haven't already watched the first part, then I would suggest you to head over there after you finish watching this video. A link will be provided in the description down below. Also, there will be a bonus stock at the end of the video, so be sure to stay until the end of the video to find out what it is. And if you are excited to watch this video, do hit the like and subscribe button down below to show me some support, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. First up, we have Nvidia. Nvidia focuses on creating top tier graphics cards, and people will need these graphics cards to be able to play VR games or computer games. They are also a leader of the graphics card industry, and they are going to create Omniverse soon. They also mentioned that these Omniverse or virtual worlds are perfect for training robots. One of the essential features of Nvidia's Omniverse is that it obeys the laws of physics. The Omniverse can simulate particles and fluids, materials and even machines, right down to their springs and cables. I find this very interesting and it will definitely be on my list for longer term investments. Sorry for interrupting you in the middle of the video, but if you enjoyed watching the video up to this part, do pause the video and take a few seconds to hit the like and subscribe button to show me support and show that you're enjoying these kind of videos. I will also appreciate it if you head down to the comment section down below and just spend a few seconds to comment down what you will be interested in watching so that I'll be able to create valuable content for you. Alright, let's get back to the video. Next up, we have Qualcomm. Qualcomm creates powerful processors for phones and devices which will allow more people to get into the metaverse. In the previous video, we have talked about Oculus. Their newest headset, the Quest 2, uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 SoC. Since it's a standalone model and you don't need a PC to play VR games on it, you need these kind of components to run these games. Even if you don't really care about the metaverse or VR tech, you could also invest in Qualcomm because Qualcomm processors are used in many Android smartphones. So I think that Qualcomm is one to look out for. The next stock that we'll be talking about today will be Intel. Most of you already know what Intel is and what they do. For those who are unfamiliar, Intel is one of the leaders of the microprocessor industry. They have been the leader for many years, but in recent years, they have been facing some serious competition against AMD, which is the next stock that we'll be talking about today. The last individual stock that we'll be talking on will be AMD, not to forget the bonus stock. So remember to stay until the end of the video to find out what it is. As mentioned before, AMD is a competitor of Intel, and in my opinion, I find that their products provide more value for what you're paying for. According to Fool.com, AMD has robust growth rates. In the first 9 months of 2021, AMD has generated 58% of its revenue from the computing and graphics division, which sells PC, CPUs, and GPUs. The remaining 42% came from its enterprise, embedded, semi-custom division, which primarily sells its ePYC CPUs for data centers and custom accelerated processing units, APUs, for Sony's and Microsoft's gaming consoles. AMD expects its full year revenue to rise 65% with an adjusted gross margin of approximately 48%. Analysts expect its adjusted earnings to increase by 93% for the full year. Personally, I find that this will be a good longer term investment as it has good fundamentals. Lastly, we have a Metaverse ETF, named the Roundhill Metaverse ETF. If you cannot decide which stock to invest in from the mentioned stocks before, or if you want a little of everything, then I would suggest you to look into this. The whole list of stocks in the ETF will be shown on the screen right now, over here, and I will also place a link down below for you to find out more information about this ETF. Now, the time you've been waiting for, the bonus stock. We have Unity. Unity is a cross-platform game engine which allows game developers of all skill level to develop games on it. Many huge games like Fall Guys, Temple Run, Shadow Fight, and many other amazing games have been developed on the Unity game engine. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you find this video meaningful or informative, Please spend the time to hit down below and hit the like and subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post similar videos like this. Remember, your support will always be my greatest motivation to keep posting more videos. And also remember to save, invest, and win. I'll see you guys in the next video.